outro for the beach trip, but this is my intro, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy. We went to LA and then we went to the Grove after with my cousins, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Also bringing my Trader Joe's bag and my tanning oil and then like the after sun. And here I have my camera things and then extra clothes and sunscreen. Okay guys, and I also brought a yogurt for on the way because yeah, and it's Greek yogurt with blueberries, strawberries, and a little bit of cinnamon, and it's really good. Okay guys, we're almost there. I have my mom and Aaron. We have 42 minutes left. You like my camera? Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Hello, are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Where's the one?
No, I don't think so.
Back.
No, this costed like 600 bucks. We're finally heading to the beach.
Yes, are you recording?
Yeah. Okay guys, we just made it at the beach. Everyone's here to that little setup. We're about to put on sunscreen.
I think everybody said it was better than ours.
Wait, you're not gonna get. Wait, I need sunscreen.
I could just put my papa. Hello, Joseph. ¿Listo, mamá?
Está rica el agua, ¿verdad? This is Eva Chuz.
I'm Eva Huz.
And she has a Chuz.
No, and I have a Huz.
Okay guys, we're finally leaving the beach. Because it's hot. Eva Chuz, Vicky Chuz, Justin Chuz, Aaron Chuz. Hey y'all, we're here at the Grove. We just got here. We're gonna take y'all with us to the elevator. This is so cool. Oh, we can also go here, guys. This is the OOTD. This is Evan. OOTD. Look cute. Evan, hold on. This is going on my YouTube.
This is scary.
Oh my god. That was fast.
I'm dead.
Dang.
Look, this is T. There's Alo, Tui, Gucci. Oh, this is right there.
Oh, you want to go in there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. No shade.
Oh, I think I have a cute ass
Really? You want to wait in the line or what? Should we just come back later?
Yeah, let's just...
No. much fun. I don't even know where to go. Bro, the BB makes it so loud. Hey, look at that apple. It's like outside. I know.
Because the Gap is right there.
Okay guys, I just tried these pants from Addicted and this top, and I really love the top, and I also love these pants. They're like different and they're kind of capri, but they're so cute. Honestly, not like together, but like they're cute as an overall like separate fits, but they're both cute, and I think I'm gonna take both.